Deep within the heart of Bandung, nestled amongst the shade of towering trees, lies a house unlike any other. This is Verdure House, a place where every corner whispers a tale, every room a chapter waiting to be written. Verdure House isn't just a building, it's a canvas. Designed with a unique dual-mass concept, it caters to the needs of families of all generations. Separate structures connected by open spaces allow for both privacy and connection. Step inside, and be greeted by a symphony of textures. Natural stone, cool concrete, and warm wood weave a tapestry of styles. Industrial chic meets traditional Japanese, all infused with a modern tropical flair. Light streams through expansive windows and skylights, illuminating the artwork of everyday life. Every room here has a purpose, a story waiting to unfold. Whether it's hosting a grand family gathering in the generously sized living area, crafting masterpieces in the dedicated woodworking studio, or whipping up culinary delights in the charming pantry, Verdure House provides the perfect backdrop for memories in the making. But Verdure House isn't just about the indoors. Descend to the basement and find yourself in a world of entertainment. Step outdoors and bask in the cool breeze by the pool, surrounded by a verdant oasis. The name Verdure comes alive here, with lush gardens encompassing a staggering 40% of the property. This house breathes. Clever design choices, like the adjustable secondary skin and strategically placed skylights, ensure natural airflow and abundant light. Solar panels on the roof add a touch of sustainability, making Verdure House not just a beautiful haven but an environmentally conscious one. This is more than just a house, it's a blank page waiting to be filled with the vibrant ink of life. Come, write your own story at Verdure House.